Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to answer that question, why do I get air bubbles under my tape? And we'll just start by looking at these joints here. That's two sheets there with two recesses together. Generally you're more likely to get bubbles where it's a sort of a tapered edge against a cut edge, like this one here, which I'm going to show you. So we're just going to apply the compound. We always want to put a good amount on, a nice layer, but you can see there, I'm just giving you an example here of there's no compound on the drywall there, and that is where we're going to get bubbles, and that's the main reason we get bubbles under our tape, is not enough compound. Not enough for the paper tape to adhere to, so it'll just bubble. So what we need to do is put a good amount of compound right over the whole joint, so we don't want to see any drywall through the compound. And we'll get our paper tape, and we're going to bed that into the compound, keeping that tape in the middle of the joint. And what we do is just hold the end of the tape so it doesn't scrunch up, and we're just going to force that tape in to the compound by just pressing that tape in, and just by sort of squeezing out any excess, not all of it, you still want the compound under the tape, but just enough to get that tape in. Then we're going to apply another coat straight over the top, so that tape is now bedded into the compound, and we've got a layer on each side, and then we'll just clean off each edge, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed that one and learnt something there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.